Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Amazon Prime student discount. First thing you want to do is go to Amazon and log into your account. Once you are logged in, move your mouse to the top right corner and click account right here, and this will open up. So you are now in your account. Now go ahead and select Prime. On this page, you should see an options that says something like, are you student? Are you between 18 and 24 years old or a student? So you will see that in this right corner here. Click on that. And now we are in. So as you can see, they are giving you 6 months trial for $0. But after that time, you will have Prime for young adults, almost $8 per month, or then Prime for young adults. We have per year after trial, it's $70. Um, so, like that. Now we can click here, try Prime for young adults, and you will go here. So now you will choose here that you are that you will verify you as a student. So click on that, then choose university, first name, last name, your birth date, and after the graduation year. When you finish with that, just click here, continue right here, and you will be done. So this is how you do that. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.